An enormous ranch-style bungalow with over 2,300 square feet on the main floor. An exceptional reverse pie-shaped lot measuring more than 180 feet across the back. 8 Honeywell Place is incredible, and it's available for the first time in more than 40 years. Come on in, let me show you around. The wide foyer opens into a spacious living and dining room and features hardwood flooring, large windows, a skylight, and a wood-burning fireplace. The family-sized eat-in kitchen overlooks the treed backyard. It's been renovated with quartz counters and stainless steel appliances. The family room just off the kitchen is perfect for relaxing and family time. Enjoy hardwood flooring, built-in cabinets, large windows, and a skylight. The primary bedroom is spacious and features a walk-in closet and 5-piece ensuite. 2 more bedrooms, a main bathroom, a powder room, and a main floor laundry room with entrance to the garage completes the main floor. The basement is absolutely enormous and features a massive recreation room, guest bedroom, and a bathroom, a cedar closet, and tons of storage. With some of Toronto's best neighbourhood schools, easy access to Highway 401, and this highly desirable location, you're not going to want to miss this incredible home. Book your showing today.